Let us lady be the always be. Every night you're here for company. You'll be there, we'll be there, with our melody that's sure to cure the blues. Sweet little worry with a smile, they will leave you in a little while. To every sigh, say goodbye, then contented you will be. Smile away, smile and drive down care away. VDB Melbourne, Kettle Broadcasting Service.
My dear, delightful Dreadnought Red. This is a gramophone, my boy, not a microphone.
Oh, I'm sorry, Charlie.
I don't know how they're going to get both of us on this record. Your side. Create side. Well, I'm going to sing it a song. You don't mind it?
No, Charlie.
Well, I'm going to sing this little song. I must go right if I don't go wrong. Whilst I sing this song to you, all you people have to do is
Smile away, smile and drive down care away.
Now do smile, Ren. Everybody has heard you laugh, but nobody has heard you smile. It's easy, it is understood to smile away when things are good. When things are bad and all uphill, every dinkum Aussie will.
Smile away, smile and drive down care away.
Silly words, silly tune, but a sensible singer though. Said Mrs. Brown to Mrs. Lee, have you seen Performance Lee? The last Lee show I went to see, the leading lady came home with me.
Smile away,
how little Lee will go astray. Just as well you were not there, Ren.
Why, Charlie?
They would have lost the whole truth. Our Billy Goat has got no nose. He's got no nose wherever he goes. He cannot smell the poor old man, but the worst of it is the neighbours can.
Smile away,
No Billy Goat is pneumonia hay.
poor goat.
Down Bunny. Oh, I've been married just 3 months. In 3 months have not round once. We've a bouncing baby lad living next door with his mum and dad.
Smile away,
How easy we are led astray. That's all we're going to sing today. Come on, Ren, we'll go away. Good night, good evening, and good day.